I'm too young to start a business. I'm too old to change my job. Rich people are mean. I'm not good at drawing. Money are evil. If I will have more money, then I will be more happy. I'm really good at cooking. I love cooking. What are these sentences? I will talk about these sentences, but first of all, let me welcome you to Growing Resilience in Kids. My name is Anna, and I have a huge passion to help children build their confidence so they can move through fear and reach their fullest potential and enjoy all that life has to offer. Now, in the last video, I was talking about how our mind works, and I'm going to do just a little bit of a recap of what I said. The basic. I said that our mind has two parts, the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. The conscious mind is the part of the mind that we are doing all the thinking. The subconscious mind is like a video camera that records everything since when we were kids, when we were baby. Our subconscious mind records everything, what we like, what we don't like, our fears, our beliefs. If you haven't seen that video, please go and check that video because you will find very important, very good information over there, very interesting things that probably you never heard from your parents or never learned them in school. Now, at the beginning of the video, I shared some sentences with you and I asked you, what do you think are those sentences? Are they just opinions? They aren't just opinions, they are beliefs. And nothing in this world it is so powerful as our beliefs. Beliefs is what we hold with us for the rest of our lives. And we have thousands of beliefs in each area of our lives. We have beliefs about school, about people, about religion, about money, health, life, and the most important, about ourselves. Beliefs are what we think is true or false, right or wrong. Whether we are aware of them or not, beliefs are the key to why some people are widely successful in their lives, while others tend to constantly struggle. Beliefs are the reason why some people live their life in possibilities, while others live their life in fear. Beliefs are the key to why some people are self-confident, while others shy, afraid from new people, afraid from experiencing new things. So beliefs are solid ideas, cemented, stored in our subconscious mind. Whether they are true or not, we will believe in them as long as we hold them in our mind. There are two types of beliefs or programs running in our mind, because beliefs are the programs running in our mind. They are stored in our subconscious mind. We have supportive beliefs and we have limiting beliefs. In the last video, I shared with you the analogy that I use from Adventure in Wisdom coaching program with children, and I said that just like an airplane takes us where we want to go on vacation, our mind takes us where we want to go in life. So the same like an airplane, the airplane has the pilot, which controls the airplane by thinking, and the autopilot that controls the plane based on the programs that is running. The same with us. Now, beliefs either support us in creating what we want in our lives, or they don't. As I said, there are two types of beliefs: supportive beliefs, limiting beliefs. Supportive beliefs support us and achieve what we want. The supportive beliefs help us feel good about ourselves and achieve our goals. So let me share with you some examples of supporting beliefs that move us forward to the things that we want, that helps us to live the life that we want, do the things that we love. So I can do anything I set my mind. I am smart. I am talented. I met people easily. I can make a difference. I am fun. People likes me. These are examples of supportive beliefs. Can you see how when we say, oh, I can do anything I want, I'm smart, I won't let fear to stop me, you feel confident, you feel good, right? Now, limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs are the beliefs that holds us back, keeps us away from what we want. Limiting beliefs also can make us feel bad about ourselves and keep us away from achieving our goals. Examples of limiting beliefs might include, oh, I don't have a college degree, so I can get a good job. My grades aren't very good, so I won't be able to go to college. I'm too old to get married, to start a business, have the job that I want, go back to school. Or I'm too young to get married, to start a business, have the job that I want, or go back to school. Limiting beliefs are based on fear, on insecurities, on self-doubt, on judgment. The fear created by the limiting beliefs keeps us from experiencing new things, keeps us from moving towards our goals, keeps us in our comfort zone, where this means when we stay in our comfort zone, it means that we are safe. We stay away from the judgment, from the criticism, where the hurt it is or it could be. So instead, it becomes much easier for us to stay behind the walls, in our box, in our comfort zone, where we know it is safe. Where do beliefs come from? Well, in the next video, I will explain where they come. And also, I'm going to share with you 2 ideas on what we can do to change our limiting beliefs. Because if we want to change something in our lives, we need to change our beliefs. Some people, most of us, they are not aware that we have these beliefs, that these beliefs keeps us from achieving what we want. If you found this video has useful, then share to other people to see it, and maybe it can be beneficial to them. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget, if you haven't seen my video on how the mind works, please go and check, because it is very, very important to watch that video first and then watch this one. Thank you. Enjoy your day. Bye.